bunch of pinholes here. Take this aluminum foil tape, stick it right over it. Build some dams out of cardboard and duct tape. Sweet. Then we're gonna see how tough it is as I try to smash some sheet metal into it. This is a cool idea. I'm certain that I could make it work if I put more effort into it, but it's just, it didn't work. So this panel is going to end up being 3 pieces. Got the bottom flange, the side piece with a radius on it, and then this top panel that I'll just butt weld on, and it's just going to be butt welded. A little bit of tweaking, but it's pretty close. This was actually brazed on from the factory. A couple holes for some spot welds. This is the old fender mount.
It probably has to do with like certain features.
It's not quite perfect, but it's good enough for mud. We'll just putty over that with some body filler.